Okay, so this is a real quick little tutorial. How to upload a photo and do a SVG if it has two colors. So I'm going to do this. I don't know if this is the right way to do it or not, but this is how I do it. There's a couple ways. So I'm going to use this one. I'm going to click on just the moderate. And then I'm going to do my white first. So I'm going to take my, I'm going to just click on my white letters. I think there's a few ways you can do this. So you can do it like this. So then that does not look great. But okay, so this is just for examples. So we're going to upload that. And then I'm going to do that again. I'm going to do the same picture again. And I'm going to do just the red. So I would probably pick a better quality photo, but okay, so we're going to do just 2024. Okay, so now I have two of them, so I'm going to insert that one. And then I'm going to click it, and I'm going to contour, and I'm going to take out the solid. Sorry for that noise, my granddaughter's sleeping. And then I'm going to go in there and I'm going to take this first part that I uploaded. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to contour it. And I'm going to take out the background. Oh, didn't work. Okay, all right. So now I have these two. I'm going to change the color of one. I'm going to change the color of that to red. And then I have both of these in here. So then you just need to work with this and get it to fit good. Oops, it's going to be too small. So it'll take some playing around to get this to fit. Okay, so there you go. So then you have two colors. I don't have it lined up perfect, but for examples, that'll work. So then you save it, and then you're going to have two colors over here that you're going to print. Yeah, so that's one way to do it. So there's another way to do it as well. So I'm going to go in here. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to upload. I'm going to get... I'm going to get that same design. And now I'm going to do all the letters and numbers all together. I guess I should have looked at this to see how it lines up, but anyways. So we're going to just do all these. Okay. So here we are. That doesn't look great. But again, this is just for examples, so we're going to bring this in. And then I'm going to contour it. And I'm going to take out, this might not work. So I'm going to take out the numbers. You got to take out these little inside parts too. Okay, so you have this, and you can change this. You can leave that black, and then you're going to bring in the exact same one again. You're going to bring the same, or you could actually duplicate it. Hold on, let's do that. Let's duplicate it. So let's, okay, that's not going to work. I should have duplicated it in the beginning, but all right, so we're just going to bring this in. You could duplicate it when you bring it in, but we're going to do the same thing. We're going to contour it. We're going to take out that background, and we're going to take out all the letters this time. I see now. I didn't click all the letters really good on when I went to highlight them or erase them, but it's okay. Okay, there's still a P there. We want that out. Okay, so we're going to see how that looks. So we got that. So we're going to put that in here. And we're going to change the color up on top so that you're printing a different one. And then there you go. And then you save it, and then it will print 2 colors. And the mat will tell you you have 2 mats or 2 colors to switch out. So hopefully that helps. Thanks for watching.